on, we are going to talk about Molle Minto reform. The English adopted the policy of divide and rule to create enmity between Hindus and Muslims. So there was a policy of dividing and ruling that was supported by the British in order to create the feeling of enemy between Hindus and Muslims. In 1906, under the leadership of Aga Khan, Muslim delegation met Viceroy Minto. Under the leadership of Aga Khan, okay, who was the leader? Aga Khan, a Muslim delegation or a group of Muslims met Viceroy Minto. Molle was the Indian Wazir, okay. Molle was the Indian minister at that time in 1905, and all the changes that were decided by the Muslim group and by Molle and Minto were known as the Molle-Minto reforms in 1909. Arrival of Gandhiji in 1915. Before that, I would like to say this Molle-Minto reforms, they supported the Muslims so that the Hindus would feel jealous that why are Muslims being favored, and this would create the feeling of jealousy and enemy between them, and the friendship would break. Okay, that was the main purpose. Arrival of Gandhiji in India in 1915. Gandhiji returned to 1950 after successfully fighting against racism in South Africa. So now what happened, as you all know, that Gandhiji had gone to South Africa to study. Okay, now over there he saw that people, the British who were there in Africa, were not treating the Africans well because they were black in color. So that is called racism. Okay, so he fought racism over there with Satyagraha. He fought it with Satyagraha. Okay, his political mentor or guru, okay, his political guru was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and spiritual mentor was Srimand Ramchandra, from whom he got inspired. So who inspired Gandhiji? It was his political guru. In politics, who inspired him? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And in spirituality એટલે ભગવાન હારે કનેક્ટ કરવામાં એના ગુરુ કોણ હતા? શ્રીમદ રાજચંદ્ર. Okay, Gandhiji travelled across India and observed the life of the Indians. He considered exploitation as the root of poverty in India and made plans to abolish British rule in India. So when Gandhiji came to India, for 1 year he travelled all over India to see what was the condition of India, what were the problems that were being faced by the Indians. And he said that the main reason why India is poor, or the main reason why so many people are poor in India, is because Britishers are exploiting us. Exploiting us એટલે આપણા ઉપર અત્યાચાર કરે છે, આપણી આગળથી ખોટા પૈસા લે છે, એના લીધે we are poor. And he made strong plans to remove Britishers from India. Okay, next is Rowlatt Act. Okay, 1919. The British formed the Rowlatt Act under the chairmanship of Rowlatt, the Minister of Law, in 1919. So there was an act or a law or a rule that came out in 1919 which was called as the Rowlatt Act. Why? Because the main chairperson to see this rule or this law was Mr. Rowlatt, who was the Minister of Law in the year 1919. Okay. The act was formed with the purpose of suppressing revolutionaries and nationalists. This act was formed or made for what? To suppress. Suppress એટલે દબાવી દેવા. Okay? તો રેવોલ્યુશનરી ઓર ફ્રીડમ ફાઇટર્સની મૂવમેન્ટ્સ અને લવ ફોર ધ નેશનની જે ફિલિંગ આવતી હતી લોકોમાં, એ દબાવવા માટે, એ પૂરી કરી નાખવા માટે this act came into existence. Okay? This act is also known as Black Act because it was meant to suppress individual freedom and freedom of speech. This act was also called the Black Act. Okay, why was it called why was it called the Black Act? Because it suppressed or it દબાવડ all the freedom fighters who were there. એક freedom fighters ને ટાર્ગેટ કરીને એ લોકોને આ એક્ટની અંદર हैरान કરવામાં આવ્યા હતા. Okay, and you were not allowed to talk anything against the British. So your freedom of speech or your freedom to have opinions against what the Britishers were doing was not allowed. Even if the newspaper company would print anything against the British, they would fall under this act and they would be punished in a very, very bad way. Okay. According to this act, any suspicious person could be arrested and jailed without conducting any trial against him. That's why Gandhiji called it the Black act, and Motilal Nehru considered it snatching away of argument, appeal or advocacy. So now what happened according to this act, okay, or according to this act, any person suspicious એટલે doubt, અગર ગવર્મેન્ટને તમારી ઉપર થોડોક બી ડાઉટ ગયો કે તમે ગવર્મેન્ટની અગેન્સ્ટ બોલો છો કે ગવર્મેન્ટની અગેન્સ્ટ લખો છો, તો દે વુડ અરેસ્ટ યુ એન્ડ દેર વુડ બી નો ટ્રાયલ એટલે યુ વિલ નોટ બી ટેકન ટુ કોર્ટ ટુ પ્રૂવ દેટ વોટ એવર યુ ડીડ વોઝ રાઇટ ઓર વેધર યુ ડીડ એનીથિંગ ઓર યુ ડીડ નોટ ડુ એનીથિંગ. Okay, so you would just be arrested and thrown to jail. That is why Gandhiji called it the Black Act. And Motilal Nehru was Jawaharlal Nehru's father. Okay, he said it was snatching away of arguments. Snatching away એટલે આપણો હક લઈ લે છે કે આપણે આર્ગ્યુ કરી શકીએ કે અમે ઇનોસન્ટ છીએ. ઓકે, that is why snatching away of argument, appeal એટલે રિક્વેસ્ટ કરવી કે I have not done anything wrong. Okay, the British government gained immense power under this act to suppress any kind of opposition. So leaders and people at large expressed their opposition. Okay, so now what happened? Britishers got lots and lots of power with this. They could arrest whoever they wanted to and you could not do anything. And એની કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ઓપોઝિશન, કોઈ બી લોકો અગર ગવર્મેન્ટની અગેન્સ્ટ એક બી શબ્દ બોલે કે હુ ટોક એનીથિંગ ઓપોઝિટ ધ ગવર્મેન્ટ, they were suppressed, they were debaued down. Okay, so the people expressed so leaders and people at large expressed their opposition. Meetings, rallies, shows and strikes were organized against it. Gandhiji was arrested in Delhi. So now what happened? At large, lots of people, they came forward and they started saying that whatever this act is very bad, it's injustice and it is not a right way to treat people. So that is why they started having meetings, rallies, shows. They went on strike એટલે હડતાલ ઉપર બેસી ગયા, and all these things were done to show that they were against the Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji himself was arrested in Delhi. When Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Khichlu, please remember these two names, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Khichlu were arrested in Punjab, the agitation became severe. Okay, meaning that these two people, they were from Punjab, and when they got arrested, people all over started taking strong actions against Rowlatt Act. They started saying that this is too much. Okay, that this is not right, that you are arresting people based on nothing. Okay, the government vehemently tried to suppress all the opposition. Vehemently matlab without thinking, they tried to stop opposition in way they wanted. Okay, now we will start off with Jallianwala Bagh massacre.